and simple tire conversation today. We've got this older Honda CR-V. Doesn't matter the vehicle, we're just talking about tires. We're getting it ready for winter. Danny's on the camera. Come on in here, Danny. Look at the inner tread. Can you see that, the way the tire's chopped and we're worn down? This sipe is gone, okay? Any water that's here can't get past because it's going to be trapped by that block. It can't get out. So this tire is going to have a tendency to hydroplane. Look at the tread wear indicator. All tires have this, that block, that raised area across the tread. But look at how it varies, right? If I measure this in the middle with my gauge, I read higher. But look at it at the edge. If I measure it at the edge, I'm at 2/32. I'm right in the red. This tire's shot. So you have to look across the face of the tire. Very, very important. That's number one. Number two, this is going to need an alignment. It's getting an alignment anyway. We're doing 4 tires. You're always going to do an alignment with 4 tires. Do an alignment with 2 tires. Alignments go out with a pothole. So, you know, the road downhill is paved with ice and you get there real quick when it comes to tires and alignment. All right? Something else we looked at. Danny, can you come in here? Look at the size of this particular tire if we can see it. Let me find it. There we go. What is that? 225, 65, 17, right? 225, 65, 17. Sorry if the light's blinding you. Come on over here to the door placard. Danny, come around to the side. Always look at the door. Look at the door. 235, 65, 17. This vehicle's got the wrong size tires on it. And it has for who knows how long. Customer didn't realize it. They bought it used. It's something the previous owner did. We've come to look at tires, look at door placard to make sure it's right. And it's a good tip to be aware if you're buying a used car. Tires may look good. Are they the right size tires for the car? Door placard is king. That's about it for today. I just wanted to give you some quick car tire tips. I'm Ananian The Car Doctor. I'll see you guys on radio.
Need Ron stuff? Well, you can get t-shirts, hats, mugs, sweatshirts, and more at cardoctorshow.com.
Did you miss this week's full broadcast of Ron Ananian The Car Doctor? Or maybe you want to hear certain parts of it all over again. Well, it's easy to do. Once the show airs, it then becomes a podcast. You can find it through all major podcast players and media: iHeartMedia, Google, Amazon Music, Spotify, and so much more. Use your favorite search engine and ask for Ron Ananian Podcast. Watch what happens next. Need more Ron? That's okay. Look for Ron Ananian, available via podcast, wherever podcasts are found.